Hi everyone, my topic is about the climate changes due to the global warming. While the drastic effect of global warming has been discussed in many scientific circles, they are run on TV, and even have major exposure through well-meaning Hollywood films, it's a concern that has a broad political, economic, social, and geographical significance to countries all around the world. Quite literally, for all of us, there is nowhere to hide, nowhere to run, and we can't stop the climate from changing. It's just very big to us. How to recognize a global warming, whether or not it's revealing something good or something bad? Nature always tries to warn us through many signs. The slow process involved in global warming results in many different things, and some of its signs include: first, melting of glaciers. Most of the mountain glaciers on our planet that have been monitored for the past 150 years are reportedly shrinking. The glaciers most affected by global warming are those located at lower latitude, and many of them are disappearing. If glaciers continue to shrink, it could affect the water level in areas that depend heavily upon mountain watershed. If the scenarios of global warming continue, most of the glaciers that still stand today will disappear by 2100. Second, ocean warming. Sea level increase is attributed to warmer temperature, which in turn result to the melting of ice glaciers. Over the last 100 years, sea level has increased from 10 cm to 25 cm. Projection over the next 100 years indicate that sea level will rise even higher, from about 15 cm to 90 cm. Based on the higher figure, that's about 3 feet. In the other words, this could mean that the beaches lose about 50 feet of area for every foot of increase in sea level. Some islands may even disappear beneath sea level completely. Third, heat wave. Heat wave and periods of weather that are unusually warm are also signs of global warming. This may come about with varying degrees of their severity and frequency, causing concern in the economic and health on a global scale. How global warming brings climate change and what it means to us. The Earth's climate has always been changing. Although not at an abrupt rate, there have been periods of warming and cooling in the Earth's 4.65 billion year history, strange as it may sound to some. This is the reason why life became possible on this planet millions of years ago. Unfortunately, not all the changes in climate brought about by global warming may be beneficial to many of us. For one, global warming will raise the temperature in some regions of the northern hemisphere, causing the melting of mountain glaciers. This means that areas that are currently experiencing light snow may no longer experience snowfall anymore. Snow lines found in mountains in temperate regions may also be higher, and packs of snow will melt earlier than before. Spring may be experienced earlier, and temperature during the night time and in winter will rise. The world will experience a more humid atmosphere, since the sea water will have higher rates of evaporation. With greater humidity, rainfall is expected to increase on average. 4. Storms will also occur with more frequency and intensity. Ironically, water in the soil will evaporate faster, causing dryness between rains. Regions that are already considered dry will experience more dryness. Some semi-arid regions in the Africa continent, for example, their regions, mountain snowpack for irrigation, will not benefit for earlier melting between growing seasons. With warmer weather, some hurricanes will be more severe and winds are expected to blow stronger. It is also possible that wind patterns may shift. Extremely cold periods may be experienced as well. 5. The phenomenon known as El Nino may occur in more frequency and severity. This is expected to affect different regions in many countries. All in all, scientists will have some difficulty in predicting weather patterns. 6. With changes in climate brought about by global warming, health concerns and risks may also increase. Heat stress and diseases may become common in places that did not have any problems with them before. Global warming is an issue that requires immediate action. Even plants and animal species are adversely affected by it, while many of the changes that occur in our planet are totally out of our hands. We have been direct contributors to events that have had negative effect on our environment. This is why many leading social and scientific organizations have urged nations to cooperate in the move to counter this worldwide problem before it's too late. Thanks.